In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive emails in Yahoo Mail. Archiving is a great way to clean up your inbox without deleting anything important. Think of it as moving messages out of sight so your inbox stays focused, while keeping those emails accessible whenever you need them. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to yahoo.com. If you're not already signed in, look toward the top right corner of the page and click Sign In. Enter your account details carefully and complete any verification prompts if they appear. It's always a good idea to sign in on a trusted device and avoid doing this on public computers. Once you're signed in, click the mail icon near the top right corner. That opens Yahoo Mail. On the left-hand side, you'll see your folders. Click Inbox to view your messages. If your inbox looks crowded, remember that archiving helps reduce clutter while keeping everything safe and searchable. Now choose an email you want to archive. You can click the message to preview it, or if you already know you want to tidy it away, simply hover over it in the list. You'll see a checkbox appear next to the message. Click that checkbox to select it. If you want to handle more than one email at once, use the checkboxes for each message. You can also select a range by clicking one email, then holding Shift and clicking another to highlight everything in between, which is handy for clearing batches of older messages. With your email or email selected, look at the toolbar above the message list. Click Archive. Depending on your screen size, it might show the word Archive or an icon that looks like a box with a downward arrow. After you click it, the selected messages will immediately move out of your inbox. You'll notice they disappear from the list. That's your confirmation that archiving worked. Those messages aren't deleted. They're moved to your archive, which you can find in the left sidebar. You can open the archive anytime to review what you've tucked away, and you can always search for archived emails using the search bar at the top. If you change your mind later, just select the message in the archive and move it back to your inbox. A couple of quick tips as you work. If you don't see the archive button, try expanding your window or clicking the More Options button on the toolbar. And if you accidentally archive something, use the undo prompt that appears briefly after the action to bring it right back. That's all there is to it. You've learned how to archive emails in Yahoo Mail and keep your inbox organized without losing any important information.